Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Volatile Programming. So in this session, I'm going to give you one real life example, like how we could get benefited from the thread and how we could utilize the thread in a real life uh, in the best way. And you will also understand like what is the difference between processing something from a single thread, or I would say without using the thread. If you are not using thread, definitely it is a always a single thread, or how you will get benefits by distributing your task into the different threads. For example, if I have a machine and which has like 4 cores, roughly I could create the 8 threads. Usually threads, the number of threads are actually core multiplied by 2. Not in all the cases, it depends upon the processor as well, but yeah, in most of the cases you will say that cores is multiplied by 2 equal to number of threads that you could actual create, right? Virtually, obviously there will be multiple threads, but actual threads will be for example, if there are 4 cores, then there will be only 8 threads that you could create. So how you could get benefited from that? So let's say there is an example. I will just copy it. Let's say I have one operation here uh, for the insert. Let's say I'm doing some database operation. I'm saying insert. There is another operation that is update. There is another operation that is delete. There is another operation that is select. Let's say we are performing these 4 different operations, and because it is one single thread, if I am doing it right, let's say I'm doing it for some in some loop. Let's say it's a for loop, int I equal to 0 semicolon I is less than, let's say there are only 5 records, I plus plus, right? So let's say each operation is taking some time. Let's say that time is 1 second. I am assuming that it is taking 1 second. So if there are 5 records, it will take 5 seconds roughly, right? And for the update also, it will be same. Let's say for the delete also, it will be same. And for the select, it will be same. 5 seconds will be a bit higher side because 5 okay, let it take 20 seconds. Let's say, yeah, 20 seconds is fine, right? At the end of the processing, it will take 20 seconds to complete this task. So let's compile this. Java runnable. So it started. Let's wait for the 20 seconds. Right, after 20 seconds this process is completed. Or you could simply print here something like this: system.out.println, right? Insert record number. I will just print I here. Say there is a delete or update, and I'm saying there is a delete. And this is the select. I'm printing so that you could see it, like in live example that how it works, right? So first record inserted, second record inserted, third is something like this. So on a real, life, it will work something like this. But yeah, record could be, vary. Obviously, it is not going to take 1 second. But for example, if it is taking 10 milliseconds, and if you have like 50,000 records, then it will matter. So see, it took some time, 20 seconds to complete it. What if I will divide each task in a separate thread? Then what will happen, right? So that is what we could uh, test it. So let me do one thing. Let me create a separate thread class. So let's say class runnable insert implements runnable. Say create another class that is update. We don't need this. Simply change here. Say update. Say runnable. You could create another file as well, but for give you the better picture, I'm just using it. Delete. So this is another thread. So delete. So select, and I will say select. So what I could do is, like, instead of implementing the thread here, I could do is I could simply run it, insert thread, and let's say it is update there is insert update delete. Let's say delete. Delete thread. Three. And 4. Let's say select, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2 1 1 C. Definitely this is not going to solve your problem, but just for the example I'm showing it to you. See, so all four threads started at the same time, and because all four started at the same time, so all will take only the 5 seconds. So ultimately all four threads, or the complete four tasks, completed within the 5 seconds. So if this is the end of this topic, for more videos like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching my videos.